Everyone, what you're about to watch is a video of me adjusting a 2-year-old. And when I recorded that video just recently, I didn't set the time to do a preface, so I've added it in now, and you can watch it. When adjusting little kids like we do, commonly a lot of parents are apprehensive. There is uncertainty and concern around, if you do something so physical to me, are you going to do the same thing to my child? And there's a freak out. Totally understood. That's why this adjustment, the same as it is for an adult with a Thompson technique, is a lot gentler. Everyone's individual adjustment is based on their comfort level. It's based on their body weight and size. So if I have a really large or thick, muscle-bound patient, they might get a more firm, heavy-handed adjustment. This adorable little girl is tiny, so the pressure I use on her is like a flick. It's literally just, the table makes a lot of sound as it drops metal on metal, but the actual adjustment is soft and really gentle. The one filming is her dad. He's given full approval, and his daughter comes in knowing she wants to be checked and adjusted. Sometimes we just check, we do a leg length assessment, and other times we adjust her to make sure that her nervous system is working properly. So enjoy watching this. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them or contact us if you want to know more. To this side of the table, can you come around? Do you want to get up to the table to get checked? Do you want help coming up? 1, 2, 3. And you know what to do. So when checking infants, when checking little ones, the same protocol easily applies. We're checking their leg lengths, we're checking for nerve disturbance, and Deerfield signs for subluxation. Alright, young lady. And we can actually see if the leg lengths are different. Can you turn your head to the left? Good. Now can you turn to the other left? Great. Okay, relax your legs. There we go. And back to the middle. Perfect. So we're going to see that the pelvis is subluxated. And we can use the same drop table procedure. It just happens much gentler than an adult because of her stature being shorter. So we're ready for that drop adjustment, yeah? Okay, so just 1. Don't do that one. Put our hands just out to the sides. We get the leg length to be better balanced. One more, and with a subluxation. Good. All finished. Come on up.
All done. Do you feel good?
Level, we just adjust straight through. We don't do any twisting or turning. It's from front to back or posterior to anterior. Can you big high five from that adjustment? Perfect. Up you go. And then the jump down. One last high five, my dear. One more high five. All right.